Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to record interview. Today's problem number 1578, minimum time to make rope colorful. Alice has n balloons arranged on a rope. You are given a zero index string colors where colors is the color of the ice balloon. Alice wants to rope to be colorful. She doesn't want two consecutive balloons to be of the same color, so she asked Bob to help. Bob can remove some balloons from the rope to make it colorful. You are given a zero index integer array needed time, where needed time of I is the time in seconds that Bob needs to remove the ith balloon from the rope. Return the minimum time Bob needed to make the rope colorful. So let's solve it. If you will see the example 1, you can see we can have balloons with different colors. If we have some balloons with same colors one by one, we need to keep only one. This is the largest time to remove, because our goal to minimize the time to remove all balloons. So we need to remove all balloons with the same colors with minimum time to remove, except one with the maximum time. So our strategy to find the balloons with the same colors and find the sum of the time to remove except the biggest one. So let's do it. First of all, let's create a variable for result with 0 by default. Else we need some extra list same, and let's add time to remove first balloon by default. After it, we will check all balloons from index 1 to the last index and check if its colors is the same as previous one. So if the color is the same, we will add it to the same list. Else we will calculate the result to remove all same colors except the biggest one. So let's do it. Check all items in range from 1 to length of colors. If current color is the same as previous one at index I minus 1. In this case, let's append it to the same list. Let's append needed time at index I. Else, in this case, it means we have different colors and we need to check is the previous balloons have the same colors and its length greater than 1. So if length of same greater than 1, then increment result by sum of same minus the largest needed time. So it's max of same. And else we need to reset same and keep only current item in the array. After we check all items, we need to check if same has some items, and if count of items greater than 1, add add the sum of items to the result. And finally, let's return result. So let's check tests. Test passed, submitted. Yes, it works. It's very efficient by time, and it's okay by memory. It takes off n time because we have a loop through all items, and also it has memory complexity also of n because we created extra variable same, which depends on the input depends on the size of input variables. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.